Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7:15 p.m. At 6:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Whitewater, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Palmyra, Lake Koshkonong, Richmond, LaGrange, Hebron, Tibbetts, Millard, and Lima Center. People attending a Whitewater campus should seek safe shelter immediately as expected. For your expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Palmyra, Lake Koshkonong, Richmond, LaGrange, Hebron, Tibbetts, Millard, and Lima Center. People attending a Whitewater campus should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.